Okay, we're here at Farm Day. I bet you we're gonna see more animals than we did at the zoo here. I was just prepping Briz. You're an idiot, Carl. I was prepping Briz because last year, was it last year? Last year she ran into the cow pen and everyone was like, whose kid is that? And then I looked around and Briz was missing. And of course she was right there and I had to go get her. So look at this long line. We usually get here right at 9 and it's 10:15. So there's gonna be all these cars and I bet you there's bunches of buses for field trips. I hate crowds. I'd rather go by myself or when it's not crowded. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a short bus. 6 busloads of kids here on field trips. You gotta get there early. What are they doing? What are those cows doing? Huh?
The cows are playing.
They're playing. Are you ready to go to Farm Day?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You're ready? Are you ready, Dee Dee, to see a cow? Where's the cow? Where's the cow? Are you ready to see a cow?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did the turkey go poo-poo? That's pretty grody. This totally makes me not want to eat any turkeys ever again. I saw him poo-poo, and now it's like, I don't think I can eat turkey again. Are you gobbling? Gobble. Hey, you can't climb the fence. You can't climb the fence, Cindy. We're gonna touch a chickie. Look, they go. You wanna touch a chick?
Let me hold it in my hand.
Yeah, we're gonna hold it in your hand. Just a minute. Come here, chickie.
That's a turkey.
Hold his feet. Hold his feet. Look, let you hold it. Hold him very soft. You just gotta be very gentle. No, you gotta be soft. Soft. Sorry, bud. You can't squeeze, okay? You're too little. Are you holding his feet? Very good.
You're holding a chicken.
No. Jeez. Alright, we almost strangled the chick. There's a horsey. Do you see him? He's eating, that's right.
The horse is to climb.
No, we're not gonna climb. We're just gonna look, okay? Look with your eyeballs. She's reaching in to feed him some hay. Good job. Hey, don't get stuck, okay? Put your head back in. Thank you. What does a horse say? A horsey? Is it a cow? Here it is. Hey, cow. Backlit. Dee Dee, what is it? Is it a cow? You can't climb. Get down, buddy. There you go, Gary. He's going to climb the fence. Oh, boy. Hey, Briz. Don't throw bark. My kids act like heathens. Is it the baby cow? Where's the baby cow? Where's the baby cow? You don't know?
You are my reading.
It's got a wet nose. You want to touch it?
Yeah.
Did you get to touch it? Yeah. Is he very soft? Oh my. Did he say bye? Did you hear him say ma? Did he say ma?
You guys know what goats eat? They eat grass and hay and anything.
So we end up eating homemade ice cream at this thing. And the kids end up playing in the rocks, which is probably their favorite part. It's probably my favorite part too, because we didn't have to battle the crowd. We don't have to battle the crowds right here. Ah, big boy. Boo's gonna be mad that we went without her. Hey, random kid. Oh.
Say, pending stand in there might be. Yeah, I'm like,
Hey.
gentle. Okay, no, okay, thank you. Please don't grab her neck. I'm so afraid he tends to get a little, and he pushes, and then people fall down.
That was pretty nice. Thanks.
That was good. That was very sweet, buddy, but you just have to be careful.
Thank
There's a
you.
big rock next to her, okay? Okay, that was sweet. I'm glad that you love everybody. Yeah, okay, come on. George. All right, sweetie, come on, we got to go to the store. Mommy's got to get little one more diaper. Right.